Hello everyone, welcome back to Blessing TV Natural Hair. Today guys, I will be showing you another natural hair DIY to keep your hair healthy, straight, long and thick. Okay, so if today is your first time of coming to my YouTube channel, you are welcome. Please don't forget to press the subscribing button and the notification bell. A big thanks to you, my old and new subscribers. I say may God continue to bless you all. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So guys, the first things we will need is aloe vera. I always cut my aloe vera and keep it inside the water so that the bad chemical inside will be taken away. So as you can see, that red color, that is very bad on your natural hair. So always keep your aloe vera inside the water for some hours before using them. So aloe vera contains something called proteolytic enzyme, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great condition and leave your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes healthy hair growth and prevents itching on the scalp, reduce dandruff and condition your hair. Aloe vera is one of my best or one of my great plants that I love so much on natural hair, because anything that can prevent your scalp, to keep your scalp healthy, that thing will help your hair to grow fast, and it's also hard as a moisturizer. This will help your hair keep soft. You know, our nature of hair is very strong, so that is what I love most on aloe vera. What I did is that I just bring out the gel. Then I bring out the gel inside and I add it into a blender cup. I will be adding 2 eggs as well. I will also be adding my peppermint oil. If you don't know how to make peppermint oil, you can check on my previous video, or I will leave the link on the description box. Go and check it out there. Peppermint is also a great plant for natural hair to keep your scalp, which is the main place for natural hair to grow up. So, and I had 2 spoons of olive oil as well. Then I will be adding 4 capsules of vitamin E. The reason why I add egg into this DIY, egg is another great one to help your hair grow fast. Hair infuse the root of your hair with vitamin, which help your hair to grow strong, healthy and long, and prevent breaking of hair and shearing of hair. So you see, this has a lot of benefit. So maybe while going, I will still tell you about the benefit of vitamin E on this DIY. So what I did here, I just blended my ingredients together, and I used my hose to strain it out so that the one that was not able to blend to not get inside. Then I will be transferring it into this bottle for easier use. This will help me to apply it on my hair very easy. So let me show you how I apply it on my hair. In this very place, I have been wearing this hair for more than 2 to 3 weeks now. As you can see, he has a lot of hair growth. So I just spray a little bit of water on the hair to help me to lose it without my hair is not breaking off. So always do that. Now I will apply it I will first apply on my scalp, which is very, very important. Your scalp is the major place to work on so that your hair can grow up healthy and strong. I will apply. While I'm applying, I will be using my hand to give my scalp a massage. Okay guys, so guys, my time will not permit me to explain to you the benefit of vitamin E on natural hair, but I will be leaving them on the description box. Please go and check that out so that you can see the greatness on this DIY that I just reviewed to you. So this is how I apply it on my hair and give my scalp a thoroughly massage. I will massage my scalp thoroughly. As you can see, my hair is getting longer by the day. So after I'm done with that session, I will just twist it down before moving to another session. But I will not be showing that on the video. If not, the video will be too long. So I will be showing that off camera. I will come back to show you guys when I'm done with all over the hair. So guys, yeah, I'm done. I'm still giving my scalp a massage because it's very, very necessary. And when applying, just be generous with it. Make sure that the mist get all over your hair and scalp. Massage and massage. Give your scalp a massage. Massage as you can. Okay, now I will be closing my hair with a nylon bag. So after closing the hair with a nylon bag, I will leave it for 1 to 2 hours. Here is my hair. After washing, I just blow dry it a little bit. So as you can see, my hair is shining, very healthy guys. I can't believe I can have a hair like this. Guys, this is all about this video. If you love this video and you love what you see, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, thank you so much, and don't also forget to help us to share this video to friends and family and give us a thumbs up. A thumbs up means that you have liked this video. Okay guys, thank you. May the Almighty God continue to bless you all. I love what I see. I love my natural hair. So as you can see, it's looking so shiny, soft, healthy and bouncing guys. Yeah. I'm not an Afghan, so I'm a Nigerian woman. See you on my next video guys. Bye.